Welcome to Crypto Toolbox. I'm so glad you made the decision to join our community. Whether you're new to crypto or you've been living on crypto for several years like I have, the Crypto Toolbox is going to help you live the crypto lifestyle. What you'll find inside, Crypto Toolbox was built to make the world of cryptocurrency simple and accessible for everyone. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides, vetted tools, and practical tips for everything from getting your first crypto to spending it in the real world. No fluff, no unnecessary jargon, just the knowledge and resources you need all in one place, right here. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the menu on the left and click support, and then click on Telegram group. Make sure you connect with us in the Telegram group so that you can get your questions answered, you can add value. That's where our community is. You'll see the Crypto Toolbox has three main sections: buying crypto, earning crypto, and spending crypto. In order to live the crypto lifestyle, you need to be earning crypto. So you're going to find that Crypto Toolbox isn't just an educational platform. It's filled with affiliate links all through it, in the buying section, the earning section, and the spending section. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of the Crypto Toolbox, let's take a look at the affiliate section. So there's an affiliates page, a referrals page, and an ad copy page. The ad copy will help you share Crypto Toolbox with people you know, even people you don't know, with paid advertising. The referrals are the people who you personally referred to Crypto Toolbox. The affiliate section is where you're going to find your own personal link to the Crypto Toolbox. This is what you're going to share with other people. When they decide to take advantage of some of the tools in the Crypto Toolbox, you will be rewarded. Now let's go take a look at the buying crypto page. This is where most people are going to start. Here's 3 beginner-friendly wallets that you can use on your phone or your desktop. And these are called Web3 wallets. You're going to need a Web3 wallet for some of the earning opportunities that we're going to show you in earning crypto. So let's head over there, earning crypto. The 2 options where you can earn the most crypto right now is right on the staking page. There's a cost, which has a token called AS. You can stake it. And Origin, which has a token called LGNS, and you can stake that one as well. So you can stake Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. You can stake all these coins. And what that means when you stake them is you're going to hold on to a coin or a token in hopes that it's going to go up. Well, while you're holding it, you can hit a stake button and you'll get rewarded more coins. So you'll accumulate more coins while you're waiting for the price to go up. So let's take a closer look. If we go to the top one, a cost, when you come here, you'll find an overview video. It's just 31 minutes long. It'll explain how you can earn passively just by staking this AS token. And then we can take a look down here. This is about the safety of the smart contract. This is also about the safety. These are all the contracts it shows. And this is the history, how this contract became about. There's a little video here. This is about safety. And you can earn more rewards by sharing this with others. So, and then this is how to get a Web3 wallet, which we were just looking at. You can come here and it'll show you exactly how to get your MetaMask wallet set up. This will show you how to fund it with the coin that you need on Polygon. And then this will show you how to stake, how to get staking. And that's the same with Origin, LGNS as well. There's a presentation video that kind of gives you more information about the smart contract, and then again how to stake LGNS. And again, there's another affiliate code. These 2 are the highest paying in all of Crypto Toolbox right now. And then you're going to want to know how to spend crypto as well. So spending crypto, there's crypto debit cards that you can use, and we're going to add more here. One of the ones I use is a GPay card. And we'll add that here as well. At crypto.com, you can get a Visa with them, and you load it with cryptocurrency, and you can go to any ATM. I was just in Mexico not too long ago. I loaded my GPay card with USDT, which is Tether. It's a stable coin, and I was able to take out pesos from the ATM, and I can use it in restaurants, right? So this is one of the ways you can use crypto. You could go to Newegg or Overstock and purchase computers or kitchen tables with cryptocurrency. Cheap Air, you're able to go to cheapair.com and buy airline tickets with Bitcoin or Litecoin. You can purchase gift cards with cryptocurrency, and they're good for Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks. And as our community grows, we're going to add more tools, more ways to buy crypto, and of course, more ways to earn crypto. So join the Telegram, hop on our Zoom, and live the crypto lifestyle. Remember, what we can't do alone, we can do together.